life. So today we are here in Ubud in Bali, staying in this very nice villa. We've got this beautiful pool over here overlooking the jungle. My girlfriend has just flown over from Australia. So we're staying here for 2 nights in the jungle. And then today we're gonna go make some jewelry. We're hopefully gonna take a trade, and then we're gonna head back down to Seminyak. But this place that we're staying at is absolutely incredible. This pool, jumping in this in the morning, beautiful. It looks kind of cloudy today. It's not, it's actually really warm, but it's like, there's like this weird mist coming from like over the rice fields. We're staying here in the jungle. If you guys do ever come to Bali, I highly recommend you guys come and stay in this part of Bali. Just being in the jungle, kind of away from like most people, most tourism, you know, for the trading environment, it's just so relaxing. Last week I traded in Canggu. We had an incredible week. Made like $700 in the vlog that I made. So you guys definitely go back, watch that, check it out. It's a very valuable trade breakdown, a very valuable video. But today, hopefully, it's Wednesday today, so we still have plenty of time to take a trade, hopefully here in Ubud, pay for this villa. I think this villa was about maybe $300 a night. Kind of worth it for me, because it's kind of like a detox. I've kind of been taking some time, you know, off the charts and off trading and spending as minimal time on them as much as possible, just because we're here to just fully detox. And this is what you guys need to do when you guys become traders. You have to do things that, you know, stimulate you and mentally refresh you, because trading is an incredibly stressful and mentally draining career that if you guys don't prioritize your mental health and, you know, psychology, you're really going to struggle. So this trip is just kind of for us just to detox a little bit, spend some time together, not really worry about other things like that. Let me give you guys a house tour. So here is obviously dining room, living room. We got the kitchen in there, obviously we got the pool. And if we come upstairs, look at this, they even left flowers all the way up for us, which is a pretty nice touch. If you guys want to check out this Airbnb as well, I'll leave the link down below, you guys can go check it out. And if we come in here, this is bedroom number 1. It's a pretty nice spot, nice and big and open. You got these nice nets so you don't get bit by mosquitoes. And you got a really nice balcony out here that joins the 2 bedrooms together and overlooks the pool, which is nice. Just in the morning, just really open up and come out and admire this view. Look at this, it's incredible. Beautiful. What's a furu?
A fucking fake guru. A fraud guru. A fraud guru.
A fraud guru.
A fraudulent guru.
A fraudulent guru. And when we go jewelry making today, what are you going to put in your ring?
Sorry,
what?
this will end in tears for you and me.
End in tears?
Samson. When you're FWA training.
You can put Samson on your ring.
Show you an eye.
I'm going to put, yeah, FWA trading, because it'll bring me good luck in trading. So we're back home now. I have taken one position today, a very small position, and I have just closed this position up $900, which is just absolutely beautiful, considering this was simply just trading one contract. I haven't been on the charts much today. I haven't really had a whole heap of charts, and I wanted to take some time off. But you know, gold was in an amazing range today and having some incredible volume yesterday, looking for this to continue into some daily highs where we had some beautiful, beautiful, beautiful liquidity to come and grab. So if we take a look on the daily here on gold, it's probably gonna skip it too far. Yeah, so you can see on gold, prior to this, because this is the trade that I have been in, we've come down on the daily, we've grabbed previous daily lows, but we haven't yet grabbed any daily highs for the past 2 days, which anytime gold is gonna have, you know, the next big move up or down, it's always gonna come and grab them highs. And just, you know, very simple technicals. You look at this level of support, break above, respected, grab the previous lows, come back down, retest that again, and that's where you wanna be buying gold. And then on the 4-hour time frame, I'll show you guys my entries. We had a lot of trend line liquidity coming down here. You know, whenever you see something like this, this is a retail trap of where most retailers are trying to sell this position. And for us, we're trying to buy up into that. I actually made a whole nother video on trading gold trendline liquidity. So if you guys haven't watched that, be sure to click it, give it a watch. It's incredibly valuable and it's gonna massively help you guys out. If you trade third touches of trend lines, I'm sorry to tell you, but you're gonna get stopped out 90% of the time. This is what I used to trade, and now this is how I trade instead. If we go down to the 15-minute time frame on gold, because this is all I executed this off. And like I say, I entered this position, I had my stop loss, I had my targets. I literally didn't even have to watch this. You know, if it hit my stop loss, risk on this trade was like 240 bucks. Like it's not a whole heap. And you know, targets got absolutely smashed, you know, so one contract, $900. So it's about 90 ticks around these highs. And now entry, very simply, once price came down and we had this beautiful double bottom where some of the guys in the community got shorts down into that, which was just perfect. Once we had then grabbed that double bottom on any push up and retracement, I'm then looking to get involved with gold. And this is where you can kind of see, it looks nicer on the 30, this beautiful head and shoulders formation. So you got this left shoulder, this is the head, and then that's the right shoulder. And again here, whenever you see gold closes, you know, no bottom wick on like the 30-minute or the hourly of like a bearish candle, that's usually a nice reversal formation that you're gonna see a nice push back up. So I got in this on the 15, stop loss was down below here, but to be honest, I would have been managing here. But my hard stop was going in down here, so risking, what, 21 ticks for a total target of over 90. And simply my entry was once we then found that support, 5-minute flip back bullish, I got involved on the retest here on the break at these highs, and then that was it. Once we had, so cleared this resistance here, I stopped watching gold. So once I entered it, we broke above this resistance. I'm not gonna be watching it. You know, my alert's gonna be down here, hard stop's gonna be there. And again, trend line liquidity coming down here. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches of a trend line. You know, anyone who trades basic market structure and textbook market structure will be looking at something like this, see this break, you know, people try and short here and whether they put their stop just above this previous high. So if you know most retailers are trying to do that, once you grab liquidity at the lows, you want to be buying up into where most people are trying to sell. And this is what I do on the live streams. This is no, you know, not one of these gurus that's going to give you guys hindsight trade recaps. We take these trades on stream multiple times, even for free for you guys watching on YouTube. So yeah, and that was the trade, you know, shorting into this resistance. You guys can see on the high time frame, left shoulder head, right shoulder, really clean, simple price action. Buying gold up into previous daily highs. So I should have held this much longer, but I closed off. You know, I actually trailed my stops, and my trailed stop got hit around these highs here. So as soon as we hit them highs, as soon as we start grabbing the second touch or the third touch of the trend line at this resistance, you know, we could have started to pull back, and you know, we could have pulled back before then going more into profit. And I was like, you know what, 90 takes one contract, take the money. So you guys can see my executions and the position here. Unfortunately, I didn't screen record this position like I normally do because I wasn't on the charts, I wasn't watching this. But all in all, this was a fantastic trade. You know, I executed this at what, 11 a.m. London time, and I closed it at like 3 p.m.-ish London time. So 4 hours this trade took to play out. So it was a nice day trade. It wasn't a scalp like it usually took, but it was nice to be able to take it and just completely let it do its thing. So, and now that's me done trading for the week. I'm not going to take any more positions for the rest of the week. I'm going to take some time off with my girlfriend who I've just flown over. We're going to enjoy Bali and just have a relaxing time. So I hope you guys did enjoy that trade breakdown. Come with us throughout the rest of the evening to see what we get up to. How much money have we made in this trip? You tell me.
Made $750 yesterday.
Yeah. And then how much the other day in Ubud? $900. So it's been a very successful trip. What's cheaper, Bali or Thailand? I think Thailand.
We didn't do either of them cheap.
No, we didn't.
I feel like we did Bali a little bit cheaper.
Really? Food's been pretty expensive here though. I would say to live comfortably in Bali, you need to make around 2,000 to 3,000 a month. Probably maybe a little bit more. Or say including villas, I reckon you get a villa for what? Maybe, I don't know, $1,000 a month maybe?
Yeah.
Or maybe less?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say like around 2,000 to 3,000 if you guys want to become a travel trader here in Bali, opposed to Thailand. It's probably a little bit more expensive, but the lifestyle here is definitely a lot better, a lot more digital nomads, less people going out partying. So if that's your scene, Bali's probably the place to be. Less people here just to party and fuck around, yeah. So if you want to come here and work and trade and grind, then Bali's going to be the place to be. Alright guys, we're going to wrap up here. Hope you guys did enjoy this day in the life. It's a bit all over the place, but we've had an amazing time here in Bali. The next time we'll be in Bali will actually be for the trading retreat in May 2024. So guys, drop a little like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys when we're back in the Sunshine Coast. Peace.